collaboration happened?
Go, Maki.
We actually became friends sa isang event because I happened to familiar kasi siya sa akin yung nakita ko yun. Tapos parang sabi ko, pinapakinggan ko to talaga sa Spotify, artist na to. Tapos I went up to her and asked her, are you Seska?
Siya yung
Tapos
sabi niya,
yes.
Paano? Sige, wait. I have to redo this. Ako si Maki kunwari ha. Ikaw si Seska nun. Okay. Oh my gosh, are you Seska?
Yes.
Hindi ha.
Why?
Sabi ko ha, ako.
Hindi, she was really shy also. Kasi nung nasa parang event kami, parehas kaming nahihiya. Parehas kaming kasi wala kaming kilala. Tapos parang siya lang yung familiar na nakita kasi pinapakinggan ko talaga siya. And then, I went up to her and asked her. And then, naging friends na kami. And then, tinignan niya yung Spotify ko. And then, for some reason, may song ako para sa buwan.
Favorite Maki song.
Grabe, meant to be. Sobrang
Pinakinggan
meant
ko
to
yung
be.
voice niya. And I was looking for, at that time, I was looking for the guy part.
Yeah.
The guy who will sing the guy part. So parang nag-isip talaga, wala akong maisip, wala akong kilala. And I didn't have that much friends kasi kaka-launch ko lang.
As an introvert, ganun.
I don't have artist friends kasi pandemic. So, parang isa siya sa mga first face-to-face events namin. So parang, ayun, hanggang sa kinulit ko na yung producer ko when I heard his voice, accidentally, kasi pakialamero ako. Stalker ako eh.
Okay, gotcha.
Hindi ka stalker.
Thanks for the honesty though.
So, ayun, kinulit yung producer ko and I said, kailangan siya yung maging voice. And now we're good friends kasi parang sobrang brought us together talaga yung Balsi na gabi.
Good friends but slightly competitive. But that's very healthy
that's
and
what
friendship.
Siblings do.
Exactly.
True.
Yeah.
Easy Rock.
Hey, thanks for watching.
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.